Straight through. Man, what's up, my man? What's up? I was thinking about you the other day, as a matter of fact.
Huh?
I was thinking about you the other day. Where has he been?
Oh.
5 more, 4 more, 4 more. Cuánto más? Where you been? How's everything at Randolph?
Oh, bad.
Huh?
Bad.
Why is it bad?
Practice isn't going to start till March 1st.
Oh. No bueno. Did you throw hard?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Huh? That's alright.
He was throwing about 12 miles per hour the other day. Don't bend. Just stand. Just tell him to stand.
Alright, he does.
We're hoping he can get up to mid-80s, hopefully. Right now it's probably 83, 82. Two more. You came out to practice? Came out here to practice?
I was practicing.
That's what I said. You came out, you was practicing with him?
Oh, yeah. His dad is coaching me too.
Uno más. Listen, just try to hit him in the chest. All right, good.